Hello dear students, welcome back at your own channel Miscellaneous, where we are here to discuss the academic part of mathematics. A positive mind towards everything will give you a happier life. We can spend somewhat valuable time along with our family members. This is what the positivity. We are not attending the school, but we can devote somewhat more time in academics. This is what the positivity, right? So with this positivity, I think we should go ahead in our life. If x plus iy cube is equal to u plus iv, then show that u upon x plus v upon y is equal to 4 into x square minus y square. Such kind of sums are known as beauty of maths, because here we have to apply all the logics and all, and then we have to do it. Okay, so what is given? Work on that. Then we bring this form. Okay, so what is given? Given x plus iy cube is equal to u plus iv. Now, what is this x plus iy cube? Here we will use a plus b whole cube. Okay, that is simple identity. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, so a is what? X, b is what? iy. Okay, therefore this will become x plus iy cube will be x cube, then 3 into a square into b, that is iy, then 3 into x into y square. Can I write directly I square and y square? So this bracket I am not writing. Okay, I square, and then b cube, that is I cube, again same thing I am doing, I cube and y cube. Okay, now if you will go on, it will be x cube, then here it is what? 3x square y I. Then you know that I square is equal to what? Minus 1. So this minus 1 will change this sign, so it will become 3xy square. And you know that I cube is again minus I, so this will become y cube I. Now what is given to us? That is x plus iy cube is equal to u plus iv. Therefore what we will do? Therefore u plus iv. Here what we will do? The real parts, that is what? Without I, that we will write first, and with I we will write later on, that is this part. Or we can do u plus iv is equal to x cube minus 3xy square, and we will take common I here. Okay, that is minus y cube into I. Okay, now what we do? We will compare real part. Therefore, what this implies? U is equal to x cube minus 3xy square. Okay, and v is equal to 3x square y minus y cube. Now, from this take x common. So, it will be what? U is equal to x into x square minus 3y square, and v is equal to, take y common here, that is 3x square minus y square. Therefore, what will happen? Therefore, u upon x is equal to x square minus 3y square. Correct? And maybe equation number 1. Okay, that is what? 1. And here v upon y is equal to 3x square minus y square. Okay, now simply what you have to do, you have to add 1 and 2. So if you will add 1 and 2, it will be u upon x, v upon y, and I just need to add it, and then x square minus 3y square plus 3x square minus y square, which will give you x square plus 3x square is 4x square, 3y minus y, that is 4y square, which is what our required condition. It is in this form, u upon x plus v upon y is equal to 4 common, then x square minus y square, which is what your required answer. Okay, which is what easy to understand. Now let's go on the next sum. This is what if alpha and beta are different complex numbers with mod of beta is equal to 1, then find mod of beta minus alpha upon 1 minus alpha bar beta into its square. Okay, how can we do it? What is given? Therefore beta minus alpha 1 minus alpha bar beta its square. How can we do it? This is equal to beta minus alpha 1 minus alpha bar beta and then into again beta minus alpha its complete bar and then 1 minus alpha bar beta its complete bar, or you can write it the bracket bar. Okay, then what will happen? It will be like this: beta minus alpha upon 1 minus alpha bar beta into beta bar alpha bar 1 as it is alpha into beta bar. Now what you can do? Normal multiplication, beta into this one, so it will become beta into beta bar minus beta into alpha bar, then minus alpha into beta bar and then minus into minus plus alpha into alpha bar upon 1 into this number as it is, that is alpha beta bar. Now minus alpha bar beta and then minus into minus plus alpha bar into alpha beta into beta bar. Here we know that this is what alpha beta into beta bar is equal to beta and alpha into alpha bar is equal to alpha. Right or no? Here beta into beta bar is mod of beta, alpha into alpha bar is what? Mod of alpha. So here what it will be, therefore it will, that is mod of beta minus beta into alpha bar, alpha beta bar plus mod of alpha upon, here it is what 1 minus alpha beta bar minus this mod of alpha mod of beta. But you know that what is given? Mod of beta, this is equal to what? 1. Okay, so wherever mod of beta is there, that is 1. Therefore finally it will take the form of beta minus alpha upon 1 minus alpha beta bar square is equal to, this is what, 1 minus beta alpha bar alpha beta bar plus mod alpha and 1 minus alpha beta bar beta into alpha, because mod of beta is what? 1. So this is what your required answer. Sum number 18. What is that? Find number of non-zero integral solution of equation of mod of 1 minus I raised to x is equal to 2 raised to x. Integral solution means what? Just here find out the solution of this equation. Okay, so what is given? We know that mod of 1 minus I, okay, it can be written as root of 1 square. Since I is there, I can be written as minus 1. So what will do? 1 square plus minus 1 square. Okay, 1 square plus minus 1 square. So but 1 square is 1 and minus 1 square is also what? 1. So that is what? 2. Right? 1 plus 1, root 2. Root 2 can be written as 2 raised to half. Right or no? Can be considered as equation number 1. Okay. Now what we have? We have 1 minus I raised to x is equal to 2x. This is what given, and this is what given and considered as equation number 2. Now can you consider equation number 1 and 2? Right? can we consider equation number 1 and 2? If we will consider the same part, that is 1 upon I raised to x, 1 upon I is equal to 2 raised to 2. So what it is from 1 and 2, it will be 1 upon I raised to x is equal to 2 raised to 1 by 2 raised to x. Okay, or if you will go further, it will be 1 minus I raised to x is equal to 2 raised to x upon 2. Okay, but further we know that 1 minus I is equal to 2 raised to 1 by 2, right? But we know that what is given to us, it is 1 minus I. Okay, but 1 minus I raised to x is nothing but 2x. So if you compare these two, okay, this is suppose equation number 3. So from 2 and 3, what it will become? 2 raised to x upon 2 is equal to 2 raised to x. Since the bases are equal, so their power should be equal. So x upon 2 is equal to 2. So just simple calculation, it will be what? X upon x is equal to 2. Is it possible 1 is equal to 2? It is impossible. Or it is possible only when may be correct only for x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, that time only it is what possible. So therefore solution x is equal to 0. Okay, because for any other value it won't be coming. Then now the next sum. What is next sum? A plus ib into c plus id into e plus if into g plus ih, means z1, z2, z3, z4 is equal to a plus ib. Then show that a plus a square plus b square, c square plus b square into d square plus f square into g square plus h square is equal to a square plus b. Looks somewhat difficult, but no, it is easy. Okay, so what is given? It is a plus ib into c plus ib into e plus if into g plus ih is equal to a plus ib. This is equation number 1. Now what we will do? We will be replacing. We have done such kind of sum. Okay, replacing I by minus I in equation 1. Okay, so what will happen? This will become a minus ib, c minus id, e minus if, g minus ih is equal to a minus ib. Equation number 2. Now simply what we will do? Multiply equation 1 and 2. Okay, we were adding, but now multiply equation 1 and 2. Number and number. So what it will be? It will become a plus ib, a minus ib. Then c plus id into c minus id. Okay, into e plus if into e minus if. Okay, then again into the fourth number, that is g plus ih. Okay, into g minus ih is equal to what? A square, a plus ib into a minus ib. Now by using the identity, which is what? A plus b, a minus b. So here it will become what? A square minus I square b square into c square minus I square b square. Okay, into e square minus I square f square into g square minus I square h square is equal to a square minus I b square, I square b square. Here it is capital. Okay, right? Therefore, we know that I square is equal to what? Minus 1. So automatically it will take a form of a square plus b square, c square plus d square, e square plus f square, g square plus h square is equal to a square plus b square, which is what your required number. Okay, result. So let's go on the last sum. Here it is 1 plus im, what is given. Okay, first we'll try to find out that only. That is 1 plus I upon 1 minus I into I is there in the denominator, so we'll multiply by this number, that is 1 plus I, 1 plus I. So here it will be 1 plus I bracket square and here 1 square minus I square. You know that we are solving from so many sums last time also. 1 square plus I square plus 2 into I upon 1 square minus of minus 1. Okay, so it will become 1 plus 1. So finally we will get 1 minus 1 plus 2i upon 2. So this cancel and then what is remaining? 2i upon 2. It means it is only I. Right? Now what is given? Okay, therefore 1 plus I, 1 minus I raised to m, which is equal to 1. This is what given. This is what given. But what we got this value is equal to what? I. So simply what we can do, therefore 1 plus I, 1 minus I raised to m is nothing but I raised to m is nothing but 1. But we know that when we were finding the value of I, the power of y, when that time we got it in the form of what? Multiple of m. Okay, so therefore this can be written as I raised to 4 raised to m upon 4. Okay, right or no? So this shows that the least possible or least integral value of m is equal to what? 4. So I raised to 4 into m upon 4 will give you 1. So what we can say, therefore the least integral value of m is equal to 4. Okay, because it will give you the correct form of the answer of R. So here we have finished the miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 5. Chapter number 5, that is what? Complex number and quadratic equation. It was quite lengthy because each sum is what with I and complex number. This is what the first time you are learning complex number. But definitely this sum will give you lot of happiness once you will solve it. Till that you are not solving it. Okay, till that you are just observing it and then it will be a headache in your mind that how it is and why it is. Right or no? This is what the first time you are solving the complex number. To get the form of a plus ib or I square or modulus or conjugate will definitely take a little bit time. Okay, so it will be a kind of mental headache in your mind, so don't afraid of it. What our thought told us, peace comes from within, don't seek it without, means what? Not from outside. So as soon as you will solve the sum, you will get a mental peace. Yes, I have solved it, and definitely you will solve it if you will do a little bit practice. So with the little bit practice, we will go ahead in our academics, we will go ahead in our life, and we will be meeting one more time at your own channel Maths Mela. Till that time, just be safe, be happy, and be at home. Thanks a lot, and try to find out the peace within. Thank you.